Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and I'm getting ready to start doing some tutorials where I can build up on the Facebook channel, and I'm sorry, on my YouTube channel. And one of the things I'm going to start out with actually is the HGLRC F3V4Pro flight controller. You can see it in the bottom right of your corner here. We're doing a picture-in-picture, and I'm going to zoom in here just a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm looking off to a control panel here so I can control the screen, but basically what we've got here is the HGLRC F3V4Pro has a built-in VTX that will go on channels A through E, frequencies A through E, and channels 1 through 8 on each frequency, and then it will also give you a power option of 25 milliwatts, 200 milliwatts, and 600 milliwatts. People are getting confused on how to set this and how it works, and so I figured I would just do a real quick video on it for you. I've put together a very, if you can look at this board, I'll zoom out a little bit. You can see right here, I've just got a standard camera just soldered on real quick. I've got the antenna on there, and I'm just going to plug the LiPo in because all we need to do is really cover how the button works and how to select your channels, frequencies, and power. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to probably get my face off of this video now and go straight to just the board itself. All right, and I'm going to explain a couple things that you'll be looking at. So the first thing that you are looking at here is the main areas that we need to focus on are the following. So, and you'll see better when it lights up, I guess, when I plug the battery in. But the first thing I want you to notice is this black button right here. Now, if you have not put glue around this to hold it in place, my recommendation is you do put some glue to keep this stable, just because as you wreck and have bad crashes, this piece will tend to break off sometimes. I would also put glue around the soldering areas right here on the pins here for your digital readout. But in either case, this button is going to be the most important part. So here's how it's going to work, and I'm just going to explain this ahead of time, and then I'll show you exactly. I'm going to show you exactly how it would function. So basically, what's going to happen is you're going to have this board, and on that button right there, if you just excuse me, if you power up the LiPo, which I'm about to do for you here, I'll do it right now. All right. So you're going to see the LiPo powered up, right? And I want you to be able to see the number. So let me zoom out here. Okay, so what you can see right now is that's the number 6 right there. All right, so based on the chart that is available, and I'll pull up this chart real quick. So let me do that real quick for you. So if you look at this chart here, it's going to show you frequencies are on the top, A, B, C, D, and E, and then channels are on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what you are wanting to, do is you're wanting to use that chart, and let me move that out of the way there. So there we go. So you're wanting to use that chart to figure out where you want to be. So right now we're looking at channel 6, and that little black button, this one right here that I told you about, if you just click it really quickly, I mean, we're just talking about real quick presses, right? You're going to change the channel. That's all. So just press it as quickly as, like once a second. There you go, and you change the channel. Now, here's where it gets a little bit more, where you have to be a little bit more careful. If you want to change the frequency, you need to do a 2 count on the button. So hold it down for 2 count. Ready? So you go like this. 1, 2, let go. Well, I held it down too long, so hold on a second. So you're going to see these lights changing real quick. Okay, so 1, 2, let go. And I guess it's maybe faster than a 2 count, but slower than a 1 count, so somewhere in between there. Basically, to get to that, that's how you get to the frequency changing. At that point, you quick press the button again, and now you're switching through your frequencies. Do another 2 count, 1, 2, let go, and now you're back at your channels, okay? So again, starting from scratch, when you plug the LiPo in, you're gonna automatically be on your channel selection right there. And if you just quick press real quickly, you're gonna switch your channels. If you 2 count, 1, 2, let go, you're gonna be on your frequency count. And from there, quick presses will change your frequencies. Now, the one thing you wanna take note of is these red lights right here. I know the video's not picking it up very well, and I wish I could change that, but those red lights are, yeah, see, I'm trying to zoom it in, and it's just not, I better not mess with it too much. But anyways, there's actually 2 LEDs right there, and I'm going to show you. If you long press this button and don't let go, watch these lights. Now you're down to 1 LED light. That 1 LED light just meant that you went from 25 milliwatts to 200 milliwatts. If you do another long press, you just went from 200 to 600 milliwatts. That's how quickly it is. That's how easy it is. Now do another long press, you're back to 25 milliwatts. So remember, for the power itself, and I just want to change this so I can put this picture back up here for you. There we go. Let me put this over here. Okay, so remember guys, the way it's going to work is you're going to have a quick press on here when you plug it in. Automatically right off the bat, it's going to be on channel selection. And then a two count or a 1.5 count, however you're going to do it, is going to get you to your frequencies. And then a quick press there is going to go through your frequencies. And then finally, the long press itself is going to take you from 2 lights to 1 light to no lights. 2 lights is 25. That is the weakest of them. 1 light is going to be 200 milliwatts. And then no light is going to be 600 milliwatts. That's how you handle this. That's how you tune in your VTX. That's how you get the channel that you want. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions, hit me up at CycloneFPV.com or check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/CycloneFPV. That's it. I'll put some more help videos up here shortly and some more things related to HGLRC boards, since we are the only authorized repair center in the U.S. So I'm sure you guys may have some questions about them. I'll be more than happy to help you. Until then, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for everything, and we'll see you soon. Bye.